Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sprint in 99 Nights in the Forest. So as you can see, there's some chili plants spread across the map. Basically, you can find them, find the box of seeds all across the map as well. Basically, what the chili does is if you eat it, you will sprint. Here, I'm eating it, and as you can see, I am sprinting. You won't sprint every single time, but it is helpful when you're trying to run away from monsters back to your base camp. So whenever you see chili, well, you do have to plant them first. You can run away from any monsters or even wolves at a faster speed than them. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.